That scared me.
Where'd it go?
It popped. Okay, guys, so let's really dig into what we have here. Like, it comes all the way out here. My son probably played with some things and it went out. We tried to clean it up once before, but we didn't finish it. Life happened. I mean, it's deep. It is a mess, you guys. Like, years and years and years and years and years. That, I don't even know. Look. And you guys don't even understand, like, there are buckets of toys underneath. So, let's look at this. Like, what is this? I told y'all it was bad, but we about to get going because it's needed, it's necessary. And this is going to free us so much. I know my son is just going to feel better, and I'm going to feel better, and let's get into this. Okay, so I know you guys are probably wondering, Johanna, how did it get to this point? So I'm going to tell you how I got to this point. For me, this is from those moms. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. But this is from working all the time, working my corporate job, striving to be the best me that I can be. And in that, I just didn't have time. And my son, I wasn't present for him in the moment. And so because of it, because I was working so hard, because I wanted to climb the corporate ladder, because I wanted all of the materialistic things, I would just buy toys to replace time. And so what you see here is just years of me buying toys to replace the time that I wanted to have with my son. So we're about to dig through this room. Like, you guys are going to see me dig this room out. Like, I am going to, it's like a shovel coming in, digging us out of this space. And you guys must have saw the thumbnail, you saw the video, you see the before and after that's about to come from this. But I'm excited. So let's get back to the video. Now this is the part where I find my groove with this. Like, you can see the flow of me just being in the zone and I'm moving. Like, I love to watch this part because you can see me moving in and the toys are just disappearing basically. But I found my groove at this point and I'm just on the roll. Like, at first I was overthinking, and so if you watch this video and you decide to clean with me and start to watch it for motivation or inspiration to dig out of an area in your home, as you can see, in the beginning I thought about the toys more, but once I got to this point, I was just in this space where it's like, nope, give away, throw away. And if you have a question about my boxes here, what I have is a giveaway, throw away, and a keep box. Those are my main boxes that I separate them. So if you plan to use this example, there's the giveaway, throw away, and keep box. But you can see here how fast I was able to really move through this because I stopped thinking about things so much and I just went with my first thought on whether I really wanted it, if we really needed it. So let's get back to the video. So we started at 6:30 and it is now 10:30. So I've been working on this for 4 hours. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes that we are getting rid of. 4 boxes of toys. And this is where we are right now. Like I said, this is going to be my workout room. These are the toys he's going to keep, but we're going to organize it and kind of go through it. But these are just bigger toys, so it looks like a lot, but it's really not. But we're going to take all of this and organize it into his little shelves here. So I may come back to this tomorrow just to finish in here, but you can see this is what this looks like. So let's finish it up. So you can see here, like, the room is basically clean. We've gone through everything. I switched out the curtain because I just getting it ready to become my workout room. So what you can see here is just finalizing the last few things, the games, and just getting everything cleaned up. I'm excited, y'all. Like, I was so excited as I was doing this, but we're almost done, so let's get back. What do you think?
Love it.
It is 11:58 p.m. You can see this was not an easy job. We started at 6:30 p.m. But we'll be back tomorrow because it's time to go to bed. So we're coming back tomorrow, and I'm gonna clean up my son's play area because this is a 2-day job. It is not a 1-day job. There is no way. Use this room. You can see it's pretty big. So this is day 1. We're gonna come back tomorrow, and we're gonna clean up my son's playroom and put his toys up and really show you guys what you can do to really organize things. We already got rid of everything that is going out into the trash, but tomorrow we have everything in that room that I showed you guys of what we are keeping, and we're gonna get it organized. We're gonna get it together. There's a lot of things that we want to do in his space as well. So I'm excited. I'm excited that we are taking our home back after having we are taking our home back after just having a space of us needing to get our life together. So we'll be back tomorrow in this video, and so we officially cleared up, put all the games here, Uno, all of our games, this little shooting game we have here, open everything up, more games, and more games. So you saw what this looked like before, but this is what we have now. And now it's time to get to this. Okay, so this part is so funny to me. My son handcuffed us together on this part. So I'm like working and he's handcuffed to me. I don't know if you can tell. But I'm doing all of this handcuffed to him until it's just like, I can't do this anymore. I need to work. But that part was so funny to me. But let's get back. Okay, you guys, so it's been a couple days and my camera died while I was filming the other video, but this is the final product. You can see here with all his favorite toys that we kept along the wall here. I brought down the desk or the table. It was in my office that when he used to be homeschooled, so I brought this down so that he can have a table to put his toy on and play there. Just everything is laid out, and so this is why it's important, because you want to declutter everything first and then you want to organize. So then I went in and just organized all of his toys by type. So the same types of toys are together, balls are together. He likes to shoot these down with his little guns, all of his masks, his little hand toys, which are his favorites. They're all in the same bucket, and because everything is organized this way, it makes it easy for him to clean it up himself. So he can come down here and make the biggest mess ever, but because he knows where everything goes, I never need to clean up his toy area because everything is cleaned up by him. All of his little men that he uses to fight, his little wands. So this is the after. So I just wanted to give you guys some after. I'm excited. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. What I'll be doing this month is all about our 30-day declutter challenge. So if you want to declutter with us, or you want to watch the other videos, you can check out the playlist above. But yeah, this is where we are. I'm excited. A lot of hard work, but definitely worth it.